What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video, of course, man. As y'all see by the title, today we're gonna be going to Philly, taking the Chargers to Philly. We got the lorShift mobile, and then we got my other boys pulling up in a second. Y'all already gonna know who they are when they pull up. Your boy's at the tire shop right now, getting ready to change my tires because my rear tires look crazy. Let me show y'all real quick. Damn, this just look crazy, I ain't gonna lie. But your boy finally about to get them changed. It's been like a week since I got them changed. Ever since I got the differential, actually. Yeah, so like about a week. But your boy got the differential 262 LSD on the RT. If you didn't know that by now, go check out my last video. Tap in with that, comment, like, and make sure y'all subscribe. I meant to say that too in the beginning of this video. But yeah, your boy got that 262 diff put on. Ever since I got that put on, man, I've just been going through tires like crazy. So we at the tire shop again, getting ready to throw those on. And yeah, we're gonna give y'all a banger video, of course. Banger video like always, feel me? My guy's about to pull up in a second, and I'm gonna pick up the camera once they pull up. And we're gonna make this a banger video, you feel me? On this fine, lovely Thursday afternoon. All right, y'all, yeah, he just jacked the lorShift mobile up. Look at these tires, bro. Oh! Ever since I got the diff, this tire been on, and I've been like literally driving like this, like literally on life support. Like, these shits is done, bro. My right one, I don't think my right one's that bad, but I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a better look when he take it off. Let me show y'all my right one real quick. There's the right one right here, y'all. It ain't as bad, but it was getting there, as you can see. I'm also lowered on lowering springs, so that's why it's like more tread being lost on the inside than the outside. I'm like cambered kind of, so that's why that's like that. Damn near bald. But your boy about to get right, man. We got the SRT Rick mobile. Boy, SRT Rick, we waiting on one more, y'all. SRT Glenn. Yeah. He get me right, though. OG get me right. This shit's dick. Bro, these shits is dick. This is bad, bro. This is crazy, bro. But you already know, man. We going to them new, brand new 265. What are these? 265 45s? I got 4 of these for 120 on Facebook Marketplace. Go on Marketplace if y'all need tires, man. That's where the real plug is at. It be old heads that don't want tires and shit, selling them for the low. But this is a 285 that I had on there for the longest time. Finally burnt them out. Man, oh man, look who the hell pulled up. Your boy SRT Len. Tinny man? Tinny man? Damn. That Daytona. Yes, sir. About to go crazy in it, beat. We got them new things. My boy, get me right. It's gonna feel so weird because I've been on 285s for the longest time. And now I'm going down to 265s. They look skinny as fuck. Skinny ass tires, bro. That's whatever though. We gonna burn these bitches. It don't even matter. Alright, y'all, on our way to the gas station right now. We got my boy Rick behind me, SRT Rick. And then I got SRT Len behind me as well. We getting ready to grab some gas. As y'all can see, we got the big 295s to my right. And also one in the back seat. So if I run through these tires, I got these. I got all 4 for 120, so I mean, why not? You feel me? Yeah, we on our way to the gas station. And then we gonna head straight up to Philadelphia. And then burn some rubber. So stay tuned to the end, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe once again. Y'all know I'm gonna say this every time, so make sure y'all just listen to your boy. Do me that one favor and get me to 20K subs, man. We almost there. We at like 11,000 and some change. I'm gonna catch up with y'all once we leave the gas station. Damn, bro. Take another look at that lorShift mobile. That bitch sexy as fuck, ain't it? Shift mobile, man, at 5.7. The new tires on the back. We ready to burn these motherfuckers. Yo. Yeah, we about to get right, y'all. Damn, $60 to fill up my tank. Shit crazy, bro. Yes, sir. Oh my God, SRT Len. Chill, brody. Top bender. Top bender. He's going crazy. He's drawing, y'all. We're not even at the spot yet, neither, y'all. We still gotta go to the spot. I'm gonna catch up with y'all when we get to the spot, though. A little pit stop, man. Little pit stop. Let's see what SRT Link can do. Let's see what SRT Link can do, y'all. Hopefully my car don't get stolen. My fucking door's open and shit. You not bending that, bull? He not bending this. Y'all think he bending this? Famous bender. The famous bender. I ain't doing that shit, y'all. I need an open lot, bro. Yeah, I got that whole shit on video. We out, y'all, before we get booked in this motherfucker. Finna get booked in this motherfucker, bro. We gotta be out of here. We still looking for a spot up in Philadelphia to slide at. As of right now, it's not looking too good. We don't know where to go, but it's still Len, and Ricky behind me. Feel me? The Three Stooges. Looks like we going into this Wawa. Little pit stop. Feel me? Closer look at the SRT Rick Mobile. Got the 5 spokes. Feel me? Little scatty. And we got the SRT Len Mobile. Huh? With the front ones? Them shits are thick as fuck. And we got the lorShift Mobile. The greatest 5.7. Yeah, we still looking in Philly, man, to find a sliding spot. Shit, bro. Oh, nah, he put the shiesty on. Oh! Put the shiesty on. We getting the fuck out of here, bro. Get out of here. We're about to get booked. We're getting booked. Oh. All right, y'all. We found a parking lot, man. Your boy about to bend. Let's see how this shit go. We got SRT Len recording me. And we got SRT Rick. Feel me? Let's get it. All right, y'all, we still in Philly, man. On our way to the next location. But that was spot 1, I guess, for us 3. We on our way to another low. We don't even know where to go, to be honest. We not from here, so. He's drawing. Oh my God. I ain't gonna lie, I need to bend again. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I gotta practice though. Whoa! He's trolling. All right, y'all. Spot number 2, man. Your boy Lord Bender about to bend that motherfucker again. Feel me? Yeah, let's get it. Part 2, y'all. Let's get it.
She said that she love me, baby. Why would you tell me that? I grew up watching Goodfellas on Smack. I just counted all this fuck cash. I'm not a scam. Before I tell put me in a box and I'll bam. I seen a nigga make 100 racks off 1 loan. Had my smoker get your address for 1 stone. You was just a runner. They told you when to unload. and one phone. If I don't sell it all, I swear to God I won't come home. She said, where you from, baby? I come from Money Lane. I was in the field calling plays Randall Cunningham. Before I bought the bus down, I had on a rubber band. Money over bitches, yeah, I stuck to that one rule. Trap Academy, I went to that one school. We gon' shoot everybody, you better not make one move. You flexing with your man bad, boy, that's mine. Niggas still ain't get back, your brother been down. Niggas sliding and they missed, they the brick. She said that she love me, baby, why would you tell me that? I grew up watching Goodfellas selling smack. I just counted all this fucking cash, I'm not a scam. Before I tell, put me in a box in Alabama. I seen a nigga make 100 racks off one loan. Had my smoker get your address for one stone. You was just a money, so you wanna unload. I went out of town with the dog and one phone. If I don't sell it all, I swear to God I won't come home. She said, where you from, baby? I come from Money Lane. I was in the field calling plays Randall Cunningham. Before I bought the bus down, I had on a rubber band. Money over bitches, yeah, I stuck to that one rule.
Alright, y'all. A cop ended up coming to that location. But there's a little clip of me spinning. We're now on the highway. Just me and Len. We lost Rick. I don't know where Rick is, but I might as well give y'all a little POV drive in the middle of this video. Why not? We are in track mode, as you can see. Still in Philadelphia right now. We got the Philly Stadium over there. Eagle Stadium right there. Got Len to my right. Yeah. Oh my God. Big 5'7" screaming, y'all. I don't know where the hell Rick is. Big 5'7" cutting up with a scatty. Feel me? Yeah. Feel me? A calm little vlog type of thing with my guys. Yeah, we're gonna continue to drop banger videos, man. I've been really busy, so that's why I haven't been dropping like that, but turn this video up, y'all. Damn. Your boy was bending the RT. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, man, we no longer driving. Your boy almost forgot to do an outro for y'all. A lot of you guys wanted to see my RT spinning more, drifting and stuff like that. So I kind of, mixed that in with a little POV drive this video and a little vlog. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, of course. You already know, man, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm gonna continue to drop bangers for y'all. I'm gonna try to drop more consistently. I've been busy and stuff like that, so I couldn't really drop like that. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace. Boom.